Okay, so let's do the four cells. What are the four cells again? We said osteoclast crush, osteoblast build, osteoclast crush, osteoblast build. What does that mean? Well, osteoblasts help to build bone, and osteoclasts help to crush or break down bone to release the calcium inside of them. So what does it sound like? It sounds like a big eater, right? Isn't a big eater a white blood cell? Are they really macrophages? So where do you think osteoclasts originate from? Well, they originate from white blood cells. And your book will refer to them as dendritic cells. You can think of them as pretty much macrophages, right? They're big eaters that will eat and chomp away at the bone to help release the calcium so it's available for us. Well, then what were the other ones? Osteoblasts, right? What do osteoblasts do? Well, osteoblasts build. So remember the situation I said there was a construction worker and the construction worker was making the cement and they're always active. They're moving around. They're doing stuff, right? They're very, very active. What were the foremans? What are foremans? What are supervisors? Are they the construction workers that are active? No, they're not, right? They're pretty much sitting in their little cubicle, right? They're a little bigger. Um, think of them as stationary. They're not so active. They sit in their little lagoons. So how I remember this is Lacuna Matata ain't no passing phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Yeah, I had to do that. So these guys sit in lacunae. Lacuna Matata. Ha ha. Inside joke. Not really. Okay, so Lacuna Matata are where you find osteocytes. And osteocytes are mature osteoblasts. So osteoblasts are actually immature bone cells. When they get stuck in what we call lacuna, they become osteocytes. And where do you find osteocytes? In lacunae, right? How do you remember that? Lacuna matata. So osteoblasts have to originate from somewhere. Well, they originate from osteoprogenitor cells, right? And these osteoprogenitor cells are what we call stem cells. Here, you can have that one. So osteoprogenitor cells are also known as stem cells. And these stem cells become osteoblasts. And these osteoblasts help to build. And then once they get stuck in lacuna, they are called osteocytes. And they pretty much do the same thing as osteoblasts, but they stay in their little area and they modify the nutrients around their little lagoons.